question, very practical advice. Are there any lubricants or topical medications you recommend? One question about CBD or THC lubricant.
Well, I use a lot of creams, but I don't necessarily, I mean, every patient is really different. So for a vulvodynia or a vaginismus, I would use two separate things. So for someone who's got just looks like a musculoskeletal picture and not necessarily neuroproliferative or any of the stuff Dr. Balani was talking about, I wouldn't, or if it's hormonal, I'm not, just like a lube. And I'm not worried that they're going to burn or that it will burn them when they're using like dilators or when they're doing physical therapy. I'll just often prescribe like a lidocaine just to go along with their physical therapy sessions or their dilator therapy. There's lots of CBD lubricants, Go Love and Siren has a little bit of 4% lidocaine in it. But for the other patients, I'm more inclined to stay away from anything with lidocaine that might cause them to burn. I've never heard, Foria is CBD also, but we don't have access to THC lubes here.
There's another company I want to mention called Quim, Quim, and they make amazing plant-based lubes that have CBD and THC. The CBD ones you can order from anywhere in the country, and the THC ones obviously only in states where THC is legal. But they have like aloe vera, CBD, MCT oil, a lot of really good anti-inflammatory and soothing ingredients. I also have a discount code where you can get 20% off. So you can use the code VHIVE from my podcast and get 20% off. But I use all of their products and I've used them for a while and they're amazing products. So
I was just going to say, like, sometimes less is more in the lube too. Like if there's a lot of ingredients, it may, even if it's an organic lube, it may be irritating for the patient. So getting the lubes with the least amount of ingredients is super important. And you have to be careful too with some of the CBD and THC lubes if they're mixed with something that irritates you. So be really, really cautious. And you definitely want to do maybe a skin test before you use the lube to see if it irritates you at all.
Also, Good Clean Love is another company. I know Dr. Balani likes this company as well, but they make a lot of great lubes and body wash and wipes and different vaginal care products that are pH balancing, moisturizing, really good. So
yeah, because sometimes KY jelly or an Astroglide or something in the pharmacy has the osmolality is off, and it can make you feel like you have a yeast infection because it penetrates the tissue a lot. So we have a list on our website on solsticept.com. So if you want to look, you can see like the list, because I know like Slickwood's good Clean Love, like you said, Slippery Stuff, some of the safer ones that patients seem to be less irritated with.